Good morning, everybody at home. We are going to do area rectangles today. Get excited. Is everybody here in class excited?
Yes.
Didn't sound convincing, did it? Okay, we're going to do area rectangles today. And the way that we do those is by, write this problem, 27 times 3. Don't write it huge and leave some space to draw. Over on the side, I want you to draw a rectangle. Now what we're going to do with that rectangle is we're going to break up this top number 27. We're going to break it up into 10s and 7s. So if we were to do that, we would make the 27 20 and the 7 by itself. So we have 2 10s, which is 20, and 7 1s. Question, which number's bigger, 20 or 7? 20. So we're going to divide this rectangle right here, and this part is going to represent 7, and this big part here is going to represent 20. Good. Now this line here, you're going to put a little plus sign. All right, so we took 27, we broke it up into 20 plus 7. Now we take this 3 and we put it here on the side. This, my friends, is called an area rectangle. Area is base times height, right?
Yeah.
That's what you guys did for your Monday DL, was that area worksheet where you multiplied the base times the height. That's what we're going to do for this rectangle. We're going to break it up into 2 spaces. The first one is this space right here. We're going to figure out what the answer is to that rectangle. So we take the 3 and the 20, and we multiply them together. Okay, so write that out. 3 times 20 equals blank. And then find me an answer. Cover up the 0. Multiply 3 times 2. And then put the 0 in the end. What is 3 times 2? 20?
60.
60. Beautiful, Warner. I love it. All right, so that's what we did with these 2. Watch my fingers. They meet in the middle. Now, finger on the 3, finger on the 7. Meet in the middle. So 3 times 7 equals blank. Find me an answer to 3 times 7. Stefan already has it? Well, you did just do your 3s, so they should be like this. What is it, Stefan?
21.
Yes. Fabuloso. All right, now we have these 2 answers. Now we add them. What is 60 plus 21?
I forgot. 80. Oh, 21. 81.
81, good. Okay, now let's go back to our old-fashioned. We call this guy old-fashioned. This guy's new-fashioned. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So, we have just done 2 different ways that you can multiply 2-digit times 1. Raise your hand if you get what I did here. Raise your hand if you kind of get it. Raise your hand if you have no clue what I just did.
Kind of.
Okay, let's do another one. Erase. All right, here's your next problemo. 64 times 4. Draw a rectangle. on the top of your rectangle, you're going to break up 64. What should we break it up into? Tens and ones, which would be what, Sarame? 60 and 4. Which number's bigger, 60 or 4?
60.
So 4 gets the smaller. So I make this piece smaller, and I put the 4 here, the 60 here, and right above my line, I put a plus sign. I then move my 4 over to the side. Now I put my finger on the 4, my finger on the 60, and I bring them together. Right there. 4 times 60 equals blank. What is that blank? Do you have the answer? Don't think, write it down. Write down 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. Landon, what is it?
240.
240, yes. Cover up the 0, 4 times 6. Add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24, and then put the 0 in the end. Okay, now the 4 and the 4, bring them together. Do you love my noises?
Yeah.
They're kind of lame.
We do.
4 times 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Zafira?
16.
16. I then take those two numbers, I add them together, and I get what? Stefan?
256.
Yes, sir. 256. Now, head over to my old-fashioned. Do it the old-fashioned way. 4 times 4, 16, carry the 1. 4 times 6, 24, plus 1 is 25.